Alright guys, welcome back to the Fonzie's Garage. Gonna do a real quick video here. All we're doing is we're gonna replace the Chevy Bird right here. Super easy to do. I have some PP Blaster. On the underside of the hood, there are 3 nuts and bolts that go into the actual bird. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. I have no idea if this is original or not. It's just very, 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 very pitted. So I'm going to go ahead. I did unbolt it. I'm going to go ahead and lift up. Well, that's what it looks like underneath it. So this is what I was talking about. There's 1, 2, 3, and it actually goes on the hood right there. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up before I put the new one on. Just hang in with me. Alright, so this is what it looks like cleaned up. Not perfect, but as you can see, the paint's kind of starting to flake off here. And there, and there. I'm going to probably get in here a little bit more, just to kind of clean that up. Paint's not great the way it is. I just don't want to wreck it even more. So before we lay down the new bird, we'll go ahead and get this cleaned up a little bit more. And then put the new bird on. Alright guys, that is it. Polished it up a little bit and it looks absolutely amazing. Definitely makes the car pop. Super easy to install. Wow is all I'm gonna say. Thanks guys.